It has become a common sight to see a smartphone comforting a cranky toddler or to see a television set assisting to feed a picky eater. Electronic gadgets, they seem to be such good babysitters that probably they deserve the esteemed position of being the third parent. Though educational value of screen time for older kids seems to be a debatable issue, but no amount of scientific research proves it to be of any benefit for infants, toddlers, and very young children. In fact, it can actually harm them by interfering with the rapidly developing neuronal connections. The first 2 years of life, they are very crucial for brain development. Screen time during this time steers a child away from exploring, interacting, playing, and actively learning by manipulating the things around him. This is the time when child is developing his language, and television and electronic gadgets, they are a source of passive one-way communication, while language development requires active one-to-one interaction with an adult. A 2-year-old is not capable of differentiating between what's real and what's virtual. When he smiles at a person on the television set and the person does not smile back at him, it affects the child psychologically and emotionally. Most of the TV shows and videos which are geared at kids, they teach fantasy. They are also very cartoonish and unrealistic. They are also quite fast-paced, which is in contrast to the real world, which requires patience to adapt to. Research shows that children who are exposed to screen time in very early years of their life, they have shorter attention spans, lesser concentration, and they are more impulsive by the time they are age 7. As more and more long-time effects of screen time on kids are coming to light, many countries such as the French Broadcasting Authority, they are banning TV channels from airing shows which target children below 3. On an average, a child spends about 3 to 5 hours a day with screen time, and their viewing careers begin quite early. In 1961, normally a child used to start watching television by the time he was about 3 years old, and now the age has come down to 9 months. A study done at the Cohen Medical Center, New York, proved that normally, on an average, a child starts using a touchpad device by the time he is just 11 months old. So it's not surprising if a parent takes pride in his child mastering a digital device even before he has learned how to talk or how to tie his own shoelace. Being away from screen time allows a child to explore, play, interact, and learn about the functioning of the world around him. It gives him an opportunity to wire his brain by experimenting with cause and effect. It lets him grow not just physically, but also intellectually, socially, and emotionally. Having had a glimpse at the effects of screen time on kids, next we will bring to you how to steer a child away from screen time and engage him in smart playtime. So do stay tuned in with us at Med Supervision, where wellness is just a click away. Thank you.